Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Afina Fitri. I'm student English Education Department at State University Islamic Sultan Syarif Qasim Riau. In this video, I going to present my thesis with the title is The Effect of Student Reading Comprehension in English Text by Guessing Vocabulary Strategy at 8th grade of Islamic Juliet High School, Al-Fitiah, Pekanbaru. And my supervisor is Dr. Haji Kalayo Hasibuan, MED TESOL. Okay, for the first is chapter 1. In the chapter 1 is background of the study. Reading comprehension is an effort to improve reading skills and is the main aspect of student reading. Vocabulary is an important component in language proficiency and determines how well students understand reading. The problems found in this study are students experience difficulty in reading because they are faced with foreign words used in reading text. And these problems are interrelated in the process of learning to read and will later influence student abilities and reading skills. So, guessing vocabulary is the most common strategy and is generally preferred by students when faced with words they do not know. Okay, next slide is problem of the research. For the first is identification of the problem. In the identification of the problem in this research is students have difficulty understanding the text when reading and have difficulty finding main ideas, vocabulary, and conclusion. Next, the second of the problem of the research is limitation of the problem. Limitation of the problem in this research is improving reading comprehension in English text, especially narrative text by guessing vocabulary in the 8th grade of SMP IT Al-Fitiah. Next is formulation of the problem. For the formulation of problem, there are 3 questions. For the first is there a significant effect in the student reading comprehension in English text by using vocabulary? And the second is a significant effect in the student reading comprehension in English text by using vocabulary and without using vocabulary. The last is there a significant difference between student reading comprehension in English text by using vocabulary and without using vocabulary. Next, objective and significance of the research. For the objective of the research is to test whether there is a significant effect on the student reading comprehension in English text by using vocabulary, and to test whether there is a significant influence on student reading comprehension in English text using vocabulary and without using vocabulary. And last, to test whether there is a significant difference between student reading comprehension of English text that use vocabulary and without using vocabulary. Next, significance of the research. For the significance of the research, there are 3. The first, to the teacher English, and to the students, and the second to the researchers. And next, for the definition of terms, for the first reading comprehension, and 3 for English text, and for 2 English text, and 3 reading comprehension. Okay, next slide is chapter 2, and in this chapter 2 is literature review, and for the literature review is theoretical framework. For the theoretical framework, there are 3 points. For the first is reading comprehension is a person's ability to understand the meaning and information from text, and reading text is a medium for communication between writers and readers. And three, vocabulary guessing in accordance with Klippel in Zahara and Fatima 2018. The basic rules of the guessing game are actually simple. Someone finds out something someone else wants to know by using random picture and words as clues. Next slide is relevant research. One of them for the relevant of research is according by Sitompul et al. 2019, improving student reading comprehension through guessing strategy with the aim of describing students reading comprehension through guessing strategies and identifying factors that influence student reading comprehension through guessing strategies. Next slide is conceptual framework. For the conceptual framework, there are variable x and y. For the variable y is guessing vocabulary, and in the variable y guessing vocabulary, there are definition, restatement, function, punctuation marks, and example contrast, similarity, surrounding words, pictures, experience, and imagination. For variable x is reading comprehension. There are main idea, finding factual, references, conclusion, and vocabulary. Okay, next is chapter 3, research method. This for the first, research design. This research I use quantitative research, and the type of research I use in experimental research, and the experimental research design I use quasi experimental, and this design is non-equivalent post-test only control group designs. Time and location for the research is from May to June 2024, and the researcher was conducted at SMPIT Alfitia Pekanbaru, Riau. For the next subject and object of the research, the subject of this research is the 8th grade student SMPIT Alfitia Pekanbaru, and object of this research is the effect of student reading comprehension in English text by guessing vocabulary strategy at 8th grade SMPIT Alfitia Pekanbaru. Next, population and sample of the research. Population in this research were all 8th grade student SMPIT Alfitia, and namely classes class 8A and class 8B, with a total 51 people. And sample of this research is I use all population without any particular consideration. The researcher will take class 8A and 8B as research samples. The next technique of collecting data. In this research, the instrument I use by a test to collect data, and in this test I use two tests, namely pre-test and post-test. Okay, next is treatment. Treatment will be given after the pre-test to the experimental group. After carrying out the pre-test, students are taught vocabulary guessing strategies to improve reading comprehension. And next, validity test. In this study, the researcher used the content validity type. Next, reliability test. The reliability test measure the research instrument to determine next is technique of data analysis. In this research, I use two technique for data analysis. The first is normality test. The normality test is used to determine whether the data in a sample follows a normal distribution or not. And the second, I use independent sample t-test. The researcher tests the independent sample t-test to determine whether there is significant difference between the average score of the experimental class and the control class. Okay, next chapter is chapter 4. In this chapter 4 is research finding and discussion. For the first, student reading comprehension of English text data talk by using guessing vocabulary strategy. For the score classification of experimental class or using guessing vocabulary strategy, based on the table above, it can be concluded that the average score of reading comprehension of students taught using vocabulary guessing strategy in the category very good. Next, the second is student reading comprehension of English text data taught without using vocabulary guessing strategy. For the score classification of control class or without using vocabulary guessing strategy, based on the table above, it can be concluded that the average score of reading comprehension of students taught without using the vocabulary guessing strategy is in the category good. Okay, for the third, significant differences in student reading comprehension of English text taught using vocabulary guessing strategy and thus taught without guessing vocabulary strategy. Based on the table above, it shows the post-test score in experimental class. 14 students in the very good category, but well, the result of the post-test score in the control class, 18 students in the good category. The researcher concluded that there was a significant difference in reading comprehension of students before and after being taught using the vocabulary guessing strategy. Next, for the table test of normality, based on the table, all data from the experimental class and control class, as well the pre-test and post-test, show the Shapiro-Wilk significance, and because the data distribution is normal, and the study was continued using the parametric independent sample t-test. Next, table independent sample t-test, and based on the table, will the alternative hypothesis or HO is accepted. This means that there is significant differences in the reading comprehension of students who are taught using the vocabulary guessing strategy with students who are taught without using the vocabulary guessing strategy at SMP, IT, or PTIA. Next slide is based the result above. It is clear that the effect size is 0.23, and the score. This means that the use of vocabulary guessing strategy has a large influence on student reading comprehension. And next, for discussion, based on the result of the study, it shows that the vocabulary guessing strategy has a significant influence on student reading comprehension in English text. Researchers found differences and influence in student reading comprehension before and after reading, after being taught using vocabulary guessing strategies. And this means that guessing vocabulary provides a good contribution to student reading comprehension achievement in English text. Okay, the last slide is chapter 5. In this chapter 5, conclusion and suggestion. For the conclusion, there are 3 points. Before being taught using the vocabulary guessing strategy is included in good category, and after being taught using vocabulary guessing strategy is include the very good category. The first and the last, there is significant difference in the reading comprehension ability of students who are taught without using the vocabulary guessing strategy at SMP IT Alfitia. This means that use the vocabulary guessing strategy has a significant difference in student reading comprehension in English text. Next, for the suggestion, based on the conclusion, it is known that student ability to understand reading after being taught using vocabulary guessing strategy in class can improve student reading comprehension. Some suggestions have been made for others. First, suggestion for teachers, suggestion for students, suggestion for readers, suggestion for the researcher. I think that's all for my presentation, my thesis. I'm sorry for my mistakes. Thank you for the attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.